A new target launch date for our Boeing crew flight test. Making progress on major hardware for Gateway. And presidential honors for helping to advance NASA's mission. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. NASA, Boeing, and United Launch Alliance are now targeting no earlier than May 17th for the launch of our Boeing crew flight test to the International Space Station. NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sonny Williams will be the first astronauts to fly to the station aboard Boeing Starliner spacecraft. After the successful completion of the mission, NASA could certify Starliner for rotational crewed missions to the space station. Our Artemis 4 mission is taking shape, with teams in Italy making progress on major hardware for Gateway, humanity's first space station to orbit the moon. The first two elements of Gateway, the Habitation and Logistics Outpost, or HALO, and the Power and Propulsion element, will launch to lunar orbit ahead of Artemis 4. HALO is one of the Gateway modules where astronauts will live, conduct science, and prepare for lunar surface missions. Dr. Ellen Ochoa, former center director and astronaut at our Johnson Space Center, and Dr. Jane Rigby, senior project scientist for NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, were each presented with the Presidential Medal of Freedom recently by President Joe Biden. Ochoa was recognized for her leadership at NASA Johnson and for being the first Hispanic woman in space. And Rigby was recognized for her work leading Webb, NASA's transformational space telescope. A new immersive visualization made with a NASA supercomputer takes viewers inside the event horizon, a black hole's point of no return. There are multiple versions of the visualization, including a 360-degree version. The project generated about 10 terabytes of data and took the supercomputer about 5 days to make. For comparison, it would take a typical laptop computer more than a decade to make. Learn more at go.nasa.gov/blackhole360. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more about what else we're up to, check out nasa.gov.